This is social media versus reality. First up is Arnoya in Norway, which is this remote Arctic island with incredible mountains, snowy landscapes, and insane skiing views. And in reality, skiing here can cost you around $2,000 per person, but the scenery and experience make it worth it. Next up are the pyramids of Giza in Egypt, which are these massive ancient pyramids that have stood for thousands of years. But in reality, the area gets extremely crowded and tourists can also deal with scammers. And lastly is Nusa Penida in Indonesia, which is this incredible island with cliffs, light blue waters, and some of Bali's best views. But in reality, some of the famous viewpoints have extremely steep and uneven stairs, making them risky if you're not careful.